Alright, I just had to put that in there because this new Logic album, he kicked ass in this new album. Definitely go check it out. Anyways, just got back visiting the family for a few days, so I'm just here chilling at my house, trying to figure out some stuff to do. I think I'm about to meet up with Alex, my buddy you guys have seen in the last couple of videos. He's got the green R56 Mini Turbo loud ass exhaust. Sounds fucking sweet though. So definitely gonna go meet up with him, check out that car for a bit. He just got a new tune on it, so it's a lot faster now. Anyways, stick around for that, and we will let the day continue. Give me a good rip. God, that thing sounds freaking awesome. The flames that come out of that are just insane, guys. I'm gonna put a clip in right now of some of the flames that that thing can throw. Alright, so we are pulling up to our buddy Nick's house. He's got a red R56 Mini with the N14 turbo motor in it, so it's a 07 to 2010. Anyways, he's got a red Mini, and we're pulling up to his house right now to give his buddy a hand actually putting in a new stereo in his Impreza, which actually looks sweet. Wow, this is sick. So it's just a regular Impreza 2.5 RS, but those wheels and the tires look amazing. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, these are like newer Subaru wheels with some meaty ass tires on it. This thing looks sweet, man.
Yeah, I like the white wheels.
That looks like, I thought it was just gonna be a stock, like,
all motor,
you know.
bro.
I like that. This is pretty sweet. Those wheels, look at the wide body in the front, man. Right here. No, for real though. Same as the STI. Not a bad daily.
Oh, looks really clean.
Got the blob eye. It's my favorite. Yeah, wide body. She's pretty clean. All motor. So we're putting a new radio in this thing? For sure.
Hell yeah.
So this is the old grill right there.
Yep. Yeah, this is the sexy place. Ooh, I like
Yeah,
it.
that's a good name. I like these, man. 2JZ, can't go wrong with that shit. Alright guys, we just got back home from hanging out with Alex and all those guys, and I just wanted to say that I didn't really get to film much of that just because it was a pretty basic radio install, and I'm sure you guys already know how to do that stuff yourself, so I didn't really think it was super necessary to show all that. But anyways, we got the radio installed, sounds good. So today's video was just kind of a laid-back vlog style like I did a while ago. Let me know if you guys like that kind of stuff. I'm kind of in between it being like a casual vlog and then like not having enough content in it. So let me know if you guys like this kind of video, and I will certainly take your advice and make some more videos if that's what you guys like to see. So for now, I'm going to say peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Leave a like down below if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.